Welcome to our channel GK Trick India, and I am Meghna and I am going to teach you today about Buddhism. First of all, we will talk about its background, how Buddhism prevailed in the country after the Vedic civilization. Various religious movements like Buddhism, Jainism, etc. were born and grew up in the post-Vedic period known as the period of second urbanization or the age of Buddha. In the 6th century BC to 4th century BC actually. What are the causes of religious movements? First, the Vedic philosophy had lost its original purity. It means that पहले हम लोग वेद जो चार हमारे वेद हैं, ऋग्वेद, अथर्ववेद, सामवेद एंड यजुर्वेद, इन पे लोग ज़्यादा रिलाई करते थे, इन्हें ही अपना मानते थे सब कुछ और इसे ही फॉलो करते थे. बट आफ्टर द 6th सेंचुरी इनकी पॉपुलैरिटी कम होती गई. सो उसके बाद से एक नया रिलीजियस मूवमेंट्स शुरू होने लग गया. Now second reason, the Vedic religion had become very complex and had degenerated into superstitious dogmas and rituals. Third, supremacy of the Brahmanas created unrest in the society and Kshatriyas reacted against the Brahmanical domination. Now this is the most important point that society में हमारे कास्ट सिस्टम ने घर कर लिया था. ब्राह्मणों ने अपनी सुप्रीमेसी दिखाने लगी थी सोसाइटी में, जिसके कारण जो शेड्यूल कास्ट एंड लोअर क्लास के लोग थे, दे वेयर बीइंग ओप्रेस्ड बाय देयर डोमिनेशन. फोर्थ, इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ अ न्यू एग्रीकल्चर इकोनॉमी इन द ईस्टर्न इंडिया. एंड फिफ्थ, द डिज़ायर ऑफ वैश्याज टू इम्प्रूव देयर सोशल पोजिशन विद द इंक्रीज इन देयर इकोनॉमिक पोजिशन ड्यू टू द ग्रोथ ऑफ ट्रेड. वैश्याज जो थे वो ब्राह्मण और क्षत्रिय से नीचे आते थे क्लास में, सो दे वांटेड टू इम्प्रूव देयर सोशल पोजीशन एंड दीज आर द फैक्टर्स विच कॉजेस द रिलीजियस मूवमेंट, ए न्यू काइंड ऑफ रिलीजन टू प्रिवेल इन द सोसाइटी. नाउ वी विल कम अपॉन बुद्धिज्म. गौतम बुद्ध, founder of Buddhism, was born in 563 BC on the Vaishak Purnima day at Lumbini Van in the Sakya Kshatriya clan. His father, name was Suddhodhan, was the Republican king of Kapil. His mother, Mahamaya, was a princess of Kolya Republic. After his mother's early death, he was brought up by his stepmother and aunt Mahaprajapati Gautami. His father married him at an early age to Yashodhara, princess of Shakya dynasty, from whom he had a son named Rahul. But at the age of 29, he renounced home. This was his Mahabhinish Kraman, great going forth, and became a wandering ascetic. उन्होंने 29 साल की उम्र में ही अपने घर किया और वहीं से वो घूमने वाले घूम के अपना पेट भरते थे और अपना गुजारा करते थे. हिज फर्स्ट टीचर वॉज अलारा कलामा, फ्रॉम ही लर्नड द टेक्निक ऑफ मेडिटेशन. उनसे ही इन्होंने सबसे पहले मेडिटेशन करना सीखा था. हिज नेक्स्ट टीचर वॉज उद्रक रामपुत्र. एट द एज ऑफ 35, अंडर अ पीपल ट्री एट उरुवेला ऑन द बैंक ऑफ रिवर निरंजना. उरुवेला is the place and Niranjana, modern named Falgu river, he attained nirvana, means enlightenment, under 49 days of continuous meditation. Now he was a fully enlightened Buddha or Tathagat. Buddha delivered his first sermon at Sarnath, which is Deer Park, to his 5 disciples. This is known as the Dharma Chakra Paravartan, turning of the wheel of law. उन्होंने पहला अपना उपदेश सारनाथ में दिया था, जो कि आज डियर पार्क के नाम से भी फेमस है. He died at the age of 80 in 483 BC at Kushinagar, UP. दिस इज़ नोन एज महापरिनिर्वाणा। उनकी मौत 80 साल की उम्र में 483 BC में कुशीनगर में हुई थी, यूपी में। Now we will talk about the doctrines related to Buddhism. Actually, there are 4 noble truths given in Buddhism. First is life is full of sorrow. Second, there are causes of sorrow. First is हमने पढ़ा कि लाइफ दुखों से भरी हुई है। सेकेंड, देयर आर कॉजेज ऑफ सॉरो, और उन सभी दुखों का कोई ना कोई कारण है। थर्ड इज दिस सॉरो कैन बी स्टॉप्ड, और इन सभी दुखों को रोकने का कोई ना कोई रास्ता ज़रूर है और वो हमसे ही जुड़ा है। फोर्थ, देयर इज़ अ पाथ लीडिंग टू द सेसेशन ऑफ सॉरो, और उसको ख़त्म करने का भी मार्ग ज़रूर होता है। नाउ द नेक्स्ट इज बुद्धिस्ट काउंसिल्स। First Buddhist Council, we can see here that it was convened in 483 BC. Venue was Saptaparni Cave, Rajgrih, modern day Rajgir in Bihar. Chairman was Mahakasapa, who is also from Haryanaka dynasty. Patron Ajatasattu from Haryanaka dynasty. Second Buddhist Council was convened in 383 BC. Venue Chuluvang Vaishali. Chairman Sabakami. Patron was the Kalashok from the Shishunag dynasty. Third Buddhist Council was convened in 250 BC. Venue was Ashok Karm Vihar, Patliputra, modern day Patna, and chairman was Mogliputrisa. Patron Ashok from Mauryan dynasty. Fourth Buddhist Council was convened in the year 98 BC. Venue Kundalwan, Kashmir. Chairman Vasumitra and Ashwaghosh. Patron Kanishk from Kushan dynasty. So these are the 4 Buddhist councils which is most important in our history. It has also been asked in various examinations, including civil services exam also. Now about Buddhist literature. There are 2 types of literature in the Buddhism. First is Pali texts. Tripitaka, which is a common name of Pali literature, means basket, and it was called so because the original texts were written on the palm leaves and kept in baskets. Example, Vinay Pitaka, Sutta Pitaka. Second, Sanskrit texts. Buddhacharit, Mahavibhasha Sastra, etc. Now we will see the sects of Buddhism. First is Hinayana. Its followers believed in the original teaching of Buddha. They sought individual salvation through the self-discipline and meditation. 2 टाइप के सेक्ट्स थे बुद्धिज़्म में, पहला हिनायना एंड दूसरा महायाना। हिनायना में जो फॉलोअर्स थे, जो उनको फॉलो करते थे, उनमें वे बुद्ध के ओरिजिनल टीचिंग को फॉलो करते थे। वे आइडल वर्शिप में बिलीव नहीं करते थे, बल्कि वे सेल्फ डिसिप्लिन और मेडिटेशन में बिलीव करते थे, एंड दे फेवर्ड पाली लैंग्वेज। बट सेकेंड इज महायाना। ये बिल्कुल ही अपोजिट था हिनायना से। इनके फॉलोअर्स वो हेवनलीनेस ऑफ बुद्धा में बिलीव करते थे। दे बिलीव्ड इन आइडल वर्शिप, दे बिलीव्ड बुद्धा एज अ गॉड. They sought the salvation of all through the grace and the help of Buddha and his teachings, and they favored the Sanskrit language. Before we proceed, guys, please subscribe our channel, like this video and share it with your friends. Now, next is sacred shrines of Buddhism. Lumbini, Bodh Gaya, Sarnath and Kushinagar were the 4 principal events of the Buddha's life, namely birth, enlightenment, first sermon and death took place. To these are added 4 places Sravasti, Rajgrih, Vaishali, and Sankasya. These 8 places have all along been considered as the 8 holy places. Buddhist architecture was developed in 3 forms. First, stupa, where the remains of Buddhas and the things related to him are preserved till now. And second, chaitya, means prayer hall. And third is vihar, that is residence. So friends, that's all for this video. I hope आप लोगों को समझ आया होगा अच्छे से. Thanks for watching and stay continued with us.